Want to take control of your money in 2025? It starts with these 7 habits. If you're ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck, crush your debt, and build lasting wealth, this is your year. In this actionable video, we reveal 7 life-changing financial habits that will set you up for financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. These are the same habits used by self-made millionaires and financially successful people to stay ahead, even during economic uncertainty. Whether you're just starting out or rebooting your finances, these habits are simple, effective, and designed to stick. Welcome to a crucial discussion on transforming your financial future. As we approach 2025, now is the opportune moment to cultivate habits that will profoundly impact your wealth and security. These aren't just tips, they are foundational principles for lasting financial well-being. Embracing these 7 life-changing financial habits can set you on a path to unprecedented control and growth. They are designed to empower you, moving you from reactive money management to proactive wealth building. Let's explore each one in detail, providing actionable insights for immediate implementation. The first and arguably most powerful habit is automating your savings and investments. This strategy embodies the principle of paying yourself first, ensuring your financial goals are prioritized. By setting up recurring transfers, you remove the temptation to spend money before it even reaches your savings. Automation ensures consistency, which is key to long-term wealth accumulation. Whether it's a small amount or a significant portion of your income, regular contributions compound over time. This disciplined approach builds your financial reserves without requiring constant conscious effort. To implement this, set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings, retirement, and investment accounts. Schedule these transfers to coincide with your paydays. Even small, consistent amounts can grow substantially over years, thanks to the power of compounding. This habit removes the emotional component from saving and investing. It transforms saving from a chore into an effortless, integrated part of your financial routine. Make automation your default setting for financial growth. Our second habit, zero-based budgeting, provides unparalleled clarity and control over your money. Unlike traditional budgeting, where you track spending after it happens, zero-based budgeting assigns every dollar a specific job before the month begins. This means your income minus your expenses and savings should equal 0. This method forces you to be intentional with every single dollar you earn. It eliminates financial ambiguity, ensuring you know exactly where your money is going. By proactively allocating funds, you prevent overspending and identify areas for optimization. To implement a zero-based budget, list all your income for the month. Then, categorize and allocate every dollar to expenses, savings, debt repayment, or investments. This process ensures no money is left unaccounted for, maximizing your financial control. This approach empowers you to make conscious decisions about your spending and saving priorities. It highlights unnecessary expenditures and helps you align your spending with your financial goals. A zero-based budget is a powerful tool for financial discipline and clarity. The third essential habit is building a robust emergency fund, ideally covering 6 to 12 months of essential living expenses. This fund acts as your financial safety net, protecting you from life's inevitable unexpected events. It provides peace of mind during uncertain times. An emergency fund is crucial for navigating unforeseen challenges like job loss, medical emergencies, or significant home repairs. Without it, such events can force you into high-interest debt, derailing your financial progress. This fund is your first line of defense. To build this fund, calculate your essential monthly expenses, including housing, food, utilities, and transportation. Then, set a target amount based on 6 to 12 months of these expenses. Keep this money in a separate, easily accessible, high-yield savings account. Consistent contributions, even small ones, will help you reach your target over time. Prioritize building this fund before focusing on aggressive investing. It is the bedrock of financial security, providing stability when life throws unexpected curveballs. Our fourth habit focuses on strategically tackling high-interest debt. Debts like credit card balances or personal loans can severely hinder your financial progress due to their exorbitant interest rates. Prioritizing their repayment frees up significant cash flow. High-interest debt acts as a constant drain on your financial resources, making it difficult to save or invest effectively. Eliminating it is often the highest return on investment you can make. It liberates your income for wealth-building activities. Two popular methods for tackling debt are the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball involves paying off the smallest balance first, gaining psychological momentum. The debt avalanche prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates, saving you the most money over time. Choose the method that best suits your personality and financial situation. List all your debts, their balances, and interest rates. Then, commit to making extra payments on your chosen target debt. This focused approach accelerates repayment and reduces the total interest paid. The fifth life-changing habit is investing in financial literacy and continuous learning. Your financial knowledge is one of your most valuable assets. The more you understand about personal finance, investing, and economic trends, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Financial literacy empowers you to navigate complex financial landscapes with confidence. It helps you identify opportunities, avoid costly mistakes, and protect your assets. Continuous learning ensures your knowledge remains current in an ever-evolving financial world. Dedicate time each week to learning about personal finance. Read reputable books, listen to financial podcasts, enroll in online courses, or follow trusted financial news sources. Explore topics like investment principles, tax strategies, retirement planning, and economic indicators. This ongoing education will demystify financial concepts and build your confidence. It transforms you into an active participant in your financial journey rather than a passive observer. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your money effectively. The sixth habit involves diversifying your income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income can leave you vulnerable to economic downturns or job market fluctuations. Exploring additional income avenues enhances your financial resilience and accelerates wealth building. Diversifying income provides a safety net, reducing dependence on your primary job. It also creates opportunities to reach your financial goals faster, whether that's saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or building your investment portfolio. More income means more options. Consider various ways to generate additional income. This could include starting a side hustle based on your skills, freelancing in your spare time, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or exploring passive income sources like rental properties or digital products. Start small and build gradually. Identify your strengths and market demands, then explore opportunities that align with your interests and time availability. Diversifying your income streams is a proactive step towards greater financial security and freedom. The seventh and final habit is to regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Your life is dynamic, and your financial plan should evolve with it. Periodic reviews ensure your strategies remain aligned with your current circumstances, goals, and aspirations. Life changes, such as career shifts, family additions, or major purchases, all impact your financial situation. A static financial plan quickly becomes ineffective. Regular reviews allow you to adapt and optimize your approach. Schedule periodic reviews, perhaps quarterly or annually, to assess your budget, investments, debt repayment progress, and overall financial goals. Evaluate what's working, what needs adjustment, and if your goals have shifted. This is also an opportunity to rebalance your investment portfolio. This habit ensures your financial plan remains a living document, responsive to your life's journey. It's about continuous improvement and staying on track towards your long-term objectives. Regular adjustments are key to sustained financial success. These 7 life-changing financial habits are not merely suggestions, they are a blueprint for building a robust and prosperous financial future. Automating your finances, Budgeting intentionally, securing an emergency fund, and tackling debt strategically lay a solid foundation. Investing in your financial knowledge, diversifying your income, and regularly reviewing your plan ensure continuous growth and adaptability. Embrace these habits with discipline and consistency. They require commitment, but the rewards of financial security, freedom, and peace of mind are immeasurable. Start implementing them today and watch your financial landscape transform in 2025 and beyond. Your future self will thank you. From building emergency savings to automating investments and cutting toxic spending, this video is packed with practical tips, mindset shifts, and real-life strategies to help you level up financially. 2025 is your year to thrive. Start strong with smart financial habits that actually work. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon comment, and bell subscribe for weekly tips on money, success, and living financially free. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.